Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel mga ka-onliners. For today's video, it's 2024 na. Maglo-load tayo ng ating mga signal gamit si GCash. So first, punta tayo sa load and then i-click natin yung non-telco. And then, automatic, malalagay yung ating GCash number dyan na magre-receive ng PIN. So, i-click lang natin yung next and tandaan natin na dapat yung GCash number natin para makareceive ng PIN. And then, dito, i-click natin si PayTV. Pag na-click mo si PayTV, automatic lalabas yung mga load purchases dyan. I-click natin yung Signal Prepaid Load 200. And then, i-click natin yung Buy Now. And then, after nito mga ka-onliners, is babayaran lang natin siya para makareceive tayo ng PIN. So, i-click natin itong Pay 200. And then, after nito, is aantayin lang natin na pumasok yung ating PIN. So, ayan na. Buksan natin ang message kasi nag-notify na si GCash. Then, i-click natin itong GCash. And then, thank you for purchasing Signal Prepaid Load 200. Your PIN is. So, ika-copy lang natin itong PIN. And then, punta naman tayo sa Chrome. And then, search natin dito is a Signal Web Loading Tool. Ayan. So, after nyong ma-search si Signal Web Loading Tool, ayan, i-click natin itong pinakauna. And then, pag na-click mo yan, madadirect tayo sa homepage ni Signal. And then, dito, automatic na ilalagay lang natin yung prepaid account number. And then, dito naman yung tinext ni GCash na PIN sa atin. So, ayan, ipipaste lang natin. And then, after nito, i-double check nyo lang. And then, pag okay na, generate image lang tayo or itong CAPTCHA na nagpapatibay na hindi tayo robot. Ayun. And then, submit after nyong ma-review lahat. And then, ayan na. Your load request has been confirmed. Account number will be loaded to the enter PIN. So, ngayon naman mga ka-onliners is ika-copy lang natin itong ating signal number or box number or account number. And then, punta tayo ulit sa new tab. And then, search natin ulit dito yung Signal Web Loading Tool. And, i-click natin itong Prepaid Load Inquiry. Para malaman natin if ever na pumasok na yung load. Then, dito, ipipaste natin yung account number na niloadan natin. And then, i-click natin yung Submit. Ayan. And then, scroll down. Okay? Scroll down, scroll up, ayan. And then, ayan na, load of account number will expire on January 27, ayan, 2024. So, ibig sabihin, ganun lang kung paano natin malalaman at kailan ma-expire yung ating mga load purchases. Thank you for watching!